every engineering team has its own way of doing things. Now you can teach it to Leo once, and then your entire team is going to follow it automatically. By the way, I'm Maor, the co-founder and CEO of Leo AI, the company that builds the AI for physical products. I was a mechanical engineer in the defense industry and then an AI researcher at MIT. And we built Leo AI to solve problems that we experienced firsthand as mechanical engineers. Today, we're introducing skills in Leo AI. It means that you can teach it your design procedures, your document formats, your internal standards, and then Leo is going to enforce it downstream to all your engineering teams when they're going to design their next product or when they're going to execute the tasks. So you don't need to explain those guidelines again and again or send documents from one team member to another. So let's see how it works. So you're just going to your admin panel inside Leo AI. And as you can see here, you just go to the skills panel, and we created a whole set of library for you of different skills that are useful and used by our customers. So as you can see, for example, how to do design optimization, how to choose bolts, ball bearing, how to write the bill of material, how to do cost estimations, right? You have your own ways to do it. So when you click on a skill, you can define the title, the description, and then what actually to do. You can also create your own new skill, right? From scratch. And as you can see, you can go to the library, choose an existing skill and edit it. And this is how you create standardization in your design process. And why does it matter? Because standards and guidelines exist for a good reason, usually painful ones. And now they're enforced automatically. The only way to do it before Leo was just to do manual reviews again and again and to teach those standards and best practices again and again. And now when Leo enforces those best practices, it means less designs, less mistakes, less iterations. And it means that even the newest engineers in your team are going to work like senior mechanical engineers. And your senior mechanical engineers are going to spend less hours on teaching and correcting their mistakes. We're not building Leo AI by ourselves. We're building it for you, with you. Please tell me in the comments, what would you like Leo to do for you next? I promise to read every comment. And this is how we define Leo's roadmap. And our mutual goal together is to make mechanical engineering fun again.